What if your everyday sunglasses could play music, take SLR quality photos, translate languages instantly, and keep you aware of the world around you, all while staying light as air on your face? Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you tomorrow's tech today. And trust me, what Xiaomi just dropped in the smart glasses world is nothing short of jaw-dropping. You're gonna want to stay right here for the full breakdown. Let's dive in. Today we're looking at not one, but two cutting-edge wearable glasses from Xiaomi, a pair that redefines how smart eyewear should sound, feel, and perform. First up, Xiaomi's Smart Audio Glasses 2, a lightweight audio-focused wearable that makes carrying earbuds optional. Then we'll explore the next generation, Xiaomi AI glasses, packed with AI smarts, camera power, and voice-driven interaction you've never seen from a pair of glasses at this price point. Imagine walking into your day without earbuds, without bulky headphones, and still enjoying music, audiobooks, and calls with crystal clarity, all while staying fully aware of your surroundings. That's exactly what Xiaomi set out to build with the Smart Audio Glasses 2. These glasses weigh just about 27.6 grams, razor thin, sleek on your face, and comfortable enough to wear all day long. The new ergonomic build cuts down on stem thickness by about 30% over previous models, so even long use won't fatigue your ears or nose. But the real magic is in the audio experience. Equipped with multiple microphones and advanced noise-isolating tech, these glasses deliver clear, immersive sound. This isn't the tinny audio you expect from glasses. Xiaomi also added beam-forming mics with active noise isolation so your calls stay crisp, even in noisy environments. There's even a privacy-enhancing audio mode that uses reverse sound waves to protect conversations around you, amazing for offices, cafes, or travel. They're IP54 rated for dust and splash resistance, so rain, sweat, or random splashes won't wreck your vibe. Battery life is impressive too, up to 12 hours of music playback or about 9 hours of talk time on a single charge, with quick charging that gives you hours of use in just minutes. Now let's talk about the real game changer, Xiaomi AI glasses. This is where ordinary wearable tech becomes truly intelligent. These aren't just glasses with speakers, these are AI-powered smart glasses built for the modern world. The AI glasses come loaded with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of recording high-quality photos and videos from your point of view. Imagine capturing moments hands-free. This camera doesn't just take pretty pictures. With built-in AI, the glasses can recognize objects on the fly, translate text in real time, and scan QR codes instantly, perfect for payments or quick info. The secret sauce is a powerful AI engine and voice assistant built right into the glasses. No tapping, no phone, just speak, and it listens. That means voice-activated photos, videos, queries, and more. You're not just interacting with your glasses, you're asking them questions, getting instant answers, and experiencing a level of hands-free convenience that rivals flagship AR systems at double the price. Sound quality stays top tier here too, with open-ear speakers and multiple microphones with noise cancellation to ensure your calls and audio remain crisp and rich. Battery life is solid as well, up to 8.6 hours of active use on a single charge and fast charging that gets you back in action in about 45 minutes. For those who wear prescription lenses, these glasses can be fitted with clear, prescription, or electrochromic auto-tinting lenses that adjust in real time to lighting conditions. No clunky add-ons, just seamless real-world use. Some of the AI features, like language processing and advanced voice commands, may have restricted functionality outside certain regions, but even as a globally available audio device and wearable camera system, these glasses offer outstanding value. Here's the big picture. Smart Audio Glasses 2 give you ultra-lightweight comfort, immersive open-ear audio, long battery life, splash resistance, integrated mics with noise suppression, and stylish, everyday wearable tech with massive utility. The AI glasses take it to another dimension with AI-driven camera and assistant, object recognition, real-time translation, voice-activated hands-free control, fast charging, all-day usability, and prescription A/N electrochromic lens compatibility. This is why Xiaomi isn't just playing in the smart glasses race, it's competing to lead it. These glasses don't just sit on your face, they extend your senses, simplify your day, and redefine wearable tech as we know it. If you're hyped about the future of AI-enhanced wearables, smash that like button, drop a comment on which feature blew your mind the most, and make sure you subscribe to Tech Vibe for more gear that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Because what's coming next in tech is going to be epic.